Hey guys, how are we? Just wanted to check in, just tell you a little bit about our first few days so far. So it's been a bit hard, to be honest. It's been a bit hard getting used to everything and, you know, living this new life, living with our new routines and getting the kids used to everything and living by, you know, a little space. Even though it's a big caravan, it's still, we're not used to living in this little space now. Kobe also has just had his first 2 front teeth come through, so he's been, you know, with temperatures and up all night. The other night he was up until 9:30 on our bed just trying to settle him. He was really cranky, which was really hard. I ended up having to go for a drive because he just wasn't settled and he wanted to play with all the PowerPoints and everything like that in our bed. Maddie's up on the top bunk. She's doing really well living in the caravan, but she didn't want to go to Kindy the last few days because she just wants to be here with us, which is amazing. We love that. But I feel really bad for her because, you know, she's not going to realise that she doesn't have Kindy. Like, we've told her, talked about it to her, but she doesn't actually realise that she won't actually have Kindy anymore, which is hard. But you know, we've been making lots of cakes and baking and baking cookies and everything for her to take to Kindy, getting her prepared for her last day on Friday. So today's Wednesday. We've got 2 more days left here at Mum and Dad's, and then 3 more days left, and then we're actually going to go up to Cotton Tree on Saturday for my birthday. I turned 30, so we're going to spend a week up there. I've just booked it last night. We've also booked a trip to Rivershore, Maroochydore, Blyby area. I think it's on the Maroochy River. And then we've also booked Sandstone Point Hotel for a few days, which will be really cool as well. So it's fun getting all these dates all together with all these bookings and, you know, planning out where we're going to be going on the trip. But at the same time, it's our new reality that we're facing with a lot of struggles that we're still getting used to it all.